To use Merge tool, go to the Edit tab by pressing the Tab key. You can use Merge tool by pressing M. Merge tools consist of 4 options, each one for our suitable individual purpose. Merge at Center option will merge all selected vertices into the center of the selected vertices. For Merge at Cursor option, all selected vertices will be merged on the 3D cursor. For Collapse option, every island of selected vertices which connected by selected edges, will merge on its own median center, leaving one vertex per island. The difference between Merge at Center and Collapse option is, Merge at Center will merge all selected vertices and leave one vertices, while Collapse will merge on its own median center from each selected island, leaving one vertices per island. Merge by Distant will merge all selected vertices according to the distance of each selected vertices. You can adjust the distance by changing the parameter on the drop-down menu.